Yeah, look. It's me last night. Look, see? That was me last night. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. Alrighty, to test my mic. Alright, there we go. No, I don't need your voice no more. Hey, bro.
Bro, what up, man?
Nothing much. Alright, I just loaded into a match, but I can quit it. Yes. Or maybe I can invite you to it. Hold on. Oh, you have Insurgency Sandstorm?
Stick together. Hey, brother.
That's what my post is about. Insurgency.
Good to go.
Yeah, I remember you from A1 PCA. Oh, not right now. I'm playing a different game right now. Yeah, I'm just enjoying. Oh, alrighty, man. Be safe. Nah, I'm not a fan of Soul. Not yet, at least. I'm not a fan of Soul. Come on, y'all. Can we move forward? We're gonna get killed if y'all don't move. Push. I'm playing a tactical game right now, so like, one shot, I'm dead. So I gotta make sure. Oh my gosh, we're all piled up right here. This is a bad idea. You just take one missile launcher and we're dead. You do not know what Insurgency Sandstorm is? kill him. Okay. I'm about to say, how did none of those get you, man? Just land on my mag. Oh, I'm reloading that. Oh my gosh. Okay, one's on that. Alright, we gotta clear to the right. Oh boy. Okay. Push forward or kinda northeast. Okay, right. 9 o'clock. Dope, my stream's running very smoothly. It's very smooth with no delay. That's dope.
Cover your eyes!
Yo, what's up? Oh, that's a teammate. Crap. No, it wasn't. That's good. Alright, hold up. Oh, my teammate got himself killed? What an idiot. Dude, I've never tried out frenzy. I'm new to this game. I'm like rank 10. Yeah. I just been doing checkpoint. I'm just trying to get, you know, used to the game still. Because this game's a lot different to what I'm used to. It's fun though. It's fun as crap. I love it. Yeah, hold up. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave my game. I'm not gonna even bother beating it. How do I leave my game? There we go. Leave game. Whew. Then I'll invite all of us into a squad. So y'all want to do checkpoint? Alrighty. Down. We got 4 people. Nice. I can't invite y'all to my game. What the world? Excuse me, but I want to invite them to my game. Oh yeah. Okay, hold on. Turn off this. Oh, leave party is what you're saying? Okay, I did it. Oh, okay. By the way, how do I get proxy chat to work? Like the game chat inside the game? I did that, but they still can't hear me, and it says I have no microphone. You know, So go and game, going. So wait, unplug before going game chat, or
No. You go to game chat.
All right, we y'all want to test that before. I guess we really don't have to.
Yeah.
We can. All right, is everybody in? Is 1, 2? Yeah. Okay, everybody's in. So I guess let's give that. I want to give that a try. I've never used it before. I heard it's pretty neat in here. Burn. No, not that. Oh yeah, I'm saying we're gonna have to wait till we're inside the game for it to work. Because you use your, what do you call it? Yeah, you use your radio. Come on, get us into a game. Well, there's 4 of us, so it needs to make up, has to make up for 4 other players. But come on.
Yeah. Usually,
Man, nighttime's hard though. Like doing the mission in the night. Cause like, it's hard to see them sometimes. I mean, if you use the flashlight that turns them infrared, that's very useful. Yeah, I guess. I don't know what the name of it is. Oh, we got into a game. Let's go. No, no, this is snow. It's not gonna be night. Oh. Oh. Is it? No, I think that's blizzard. Snow. Looks like snow to me. Oh yeah, you got a fair point. Yeah, fair point. Oh. Yeah, I'm about to say, after I got a closer look, I'm like, yeah, after I got a closer look, I'm like, wait a minute. Oh, the map. Oh, yeah, I didn't read it. I didn't read the map name. I might explain something. Alright, that's all.
If you want to, I mean, you can turn up your gamma. I usually run gunner or laser on my.
Oh, y'all want to try? Hold on, y'all want to try game chat real quick? One guy just rushing. Okay, I'll just wait for you to. Are we insurgents? I didn't even check.
No.
No, we're security. Alrighty. Dope. Oh yeah, I forgot to turn on my flashlight. I have night vision. Huh. I forgot.
I'm gonna go.
Oh, so you got the gold edition of the game too? Is there a way to stealth these missions, or will they always know we're here?
Yo, can y'all hear me?
Yeah, bro. Oh yeah, yeah. Look.
Can y'all hear me? You hear me? Hey, Papa, can you hear me?
Hear you.
I hear you, I hear you.
Bro, nice. I hear you too. I hear you loud and clear. How about everybody else? Y'all hear us? I guess they don't hear us, dude. Wait. Jump if you hear us. Alright. Dude. Alrighty. I guess we can push.
Things are still fucked up the setting.
Wait, what about the setting?
Down.
Jesus Christ! Okay, I'm on Alpha! Alpha's clear, we got it! I'm up! All clear! They're coming at us!
Alrighty. These guys just defended now.
That was a mortar! Anyone hit it?
We got mortars. Stay inside.
Ah, wounded!
Hey, how y'all doing? Oh, okay. Oh, I'll switch back to game chat here soon. Give me one. We got smoke. Dang it. Dang it, where? Oh, behind.
Get ready!
Oh.
Well, that fucking sucked.
Whoa, 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 bro. Dude, like... That was surprising.
Now we're good to go. Ready?
Alright.
Let's get it, boys. Let's get it.
Alright, we got this. I got shot from the back, dude. Like, I walked right around the corner to clear the corner.
No, you got shot from the left because you didn't clear the left.
Yeah. Well, it's really... Yeah. I saw him right after I fell to the ground. I was like, dang it. I shouldn't have not checked that corner. I'll cover that door because I got a long scope. I got it ×2, so if I get closer.
Hey, you guys go ahead and cover the, go ahead and get to the objective. I got that little fucking knocked out wall covered. Yeah, get in the fucking building.
Alright. Alrighty, on the way. Bags are good, good. Oh! Oh my gosh! I'm so sorry, I didn't bring it fire.
You good?
We're all good.
Yeah, we're good. What up on me?
Ya ikhwa, I'm reloading.
Come on.
I was about to say something, but I coughed right before I could say it. Now I don't remember what I was going to say.
Sorry, I was checking a text message. Deferring, I'm right behind you. Or, I'll just call you defend. That's easier. Got him. Target down.
Give me a second, Yahi.
Planting.
Hey, I'm gonna load up.
Covering right on you, defend it.
Hey, check that stairs, bro. They just killed homie down there.
I'm approaching B.
Clear the room, clear the room, clear the room.
Oh boy.
Someone down here, bro.
Alrighty, pushing to C. I hate the slide mechanic, not going to lie. I mean, it's good sometimes, but it catches me off guard sometimes. It's like, no, I don't want to slide.
I'm in. Tapping.
Alright, approaching. Seema, I'm right behind you.
Got your back up. I just was trying to kill you.
It's ours!
One's next to me, I think.
Hold up! Hold position!
Oh, never mind.
Friendly. That's a friendly.
One on the fucking right on the objective.
Got him. He's dead. I hear a Jeep, I think.
Drone. I think there's a drone and a jeep.
I'm gonna grenade it. No. Alright, I'm down. I nade him. Jeep is down.
We're losing Charlie!
Take your...
Defend it. Be careful going out that door. Yeah, don't go there. Oh, it's
Suicide
deferring.
bomber there.
Oh, your name's deferring.
Oh, two down.
Capturing Charlie in Anabukum!
I think someone to replace. I think the Jeep's back up and running.
We have another...
Oh,
Step down.
alrighty, now it's
Get
just
on
you,
there,
dude.
Oh, he can't hear.
Yeah, he can't hear us, but
Oh crap! You can't hear us? Dang it!
yeah,
Enemy took
get on the
Charlie!
objective.
I should have.
Oh, we were so close.
Fuck, didn't you get on the objective? Come on now.
Come on, he was by himself. He didn't. It would have been hard for him to get there. That turret caught me off guard.
Mostly not.
Alright, grab your stuff!
Alrighty. Well,
1, 2,
I
3.
haven't gotten a controller.
these are just warm-up matches.
Okay.
Don't
Guys,
worry, off season, off season.
Thanks for working now. Does it sound better?
1, 2, 3.
It's a...
Okay, so y'all can hear me.
Yeah.
First, yeah, the game kept saying my mic didn't exist again. I'm like, what? It wasn't working like 2 seconds ago.
Back up, back up, back up.
Alright. I'm behind you, dang. Covering that.
we've taken Alpha! Oh man, they didn't like that!
What the fuck? How did?
Dude, what was that?
Bomber drones, get inside.
Everybody inside, everybody
Oh
inside.
shit, no, I'm not going next to the building.
Stack on the
I'm
objective.
staying way back.
Going down the street.
Alright. From behind. I got fuel from behind.
Shit's actually crazy out here. I'm going.
Dude, do not go outside.
Only a second.
Oh! Behind you! Behind you!
Cover me! Cover me!
Is anybody dead with me?
Hostiles on Alpha!
I got one tap.
Dang, you here?
Yeah, I got one tap.
Yeah, dude, this guy was prone in all the dead bodies, so I didn't know he was still alive, and he just straight up got up and shot me with his 12 gauge.
I'm here. All my still alive. Sorry.
Okay, let's go!
Good shit.
Yeah, alright, we're good!
There we go. There we go. We managed to get. They clutched it.
Stay careful, they're running to B.
Yeah, I'm alright!
Isn't there like some snipers on this? Why am I running so darn slow?
No, the bots just have an aim bot that is next to your god level.
Yeah, I'm running like super slow, I feel like.
Could be
Yeah, it's called Insurgency lagging the fuck out.
Yeah, I think I'm in lagging some. I feel like my frame rate just dropped.